To unfold the stroller, first, unfold the chassis and raise the seat until it's fully upright. Next, install the canopy. To do this, begin by sliding the first wire into the sun canopy fabric. Insert the second wire in the same manner. Secure the left clamp first, ensuring you align it with the L indicator on the wires, and secure it with the elastics. Repeat the process with the right clamp, following the same steps by aligning it with the R sign. Click the round attachment points of the sun canopy onto the frame. Rotate the sun canopy toward the head end of the bassinet until it's firmly in position. Fasten the side clickers and make sure they are locked firmly in place. Next, attach the sun canopy fabric to the recline handle, ensuring that the sun canopy loop lies under it. Finally, open the sun canopy and attach the carry handle to the stroller, ensuring it's firmly in place.